Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Here I share Kerala style Nadan chicken perattu or chicken roast. It's a authentic Kerala style Nadan recipe which is generally prepared using Nadan chicken. Mainly this is a dry chicken preparation, but here I make slightly gravy type dry chicken. I use dry masalas to the preparation. We can use powders also, but roasted dry masala gives more flavor. It increases the taste. Let us check the preparation method. Tasty Nadan chicken perattu or chicken roast is ready to serve. It's a best for appam, puttu, rice, chapati. My family enjoyed this recipe. Hope you guys are also like it. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, otherwise you can't get the notification. Meet you soon with another easy recipe. Thank you.